out with girls.
No.
No, are you kidding me?
Chance.
No chance.
No chance.
I bet Kristen did for sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm not like a saint, but I mean,
But I'm not saying all the time.
Kathy.
She has. Like,
Just ask
it
Kathy.
has happened. Kathy, it hasn't even happened. Kristen, it has
Go
happened.
ask Kathy.
Monet, do you
Can
think
you-
Monet? I say no way.
We know.
I say no way.
Yes, that's such. Well, you
No
guys are
chance,
like
no
so
chance.
stupid. How do you not think
Monet
girls don't
has
do this
no
all
chance
the
Monet
time?
has done
Are you
it.
kidding me?
Yeah,
Everybody
Monet,
lives in
Monet,
Vegas,
no.
though. It's
I
like,
go.
it's-
There's
your
no
lifestyle
way.
is way different than like.
You think that about me though, and I really haven't.
No, no,
I feel
no,
like
no.
that's
See,
a lie.
I-
You
I-
lived in a
I-
sorority house.
Rach.
You lived in a
Rachel.
sorority house.
Okay, no girls in my sorority house were kissing each other.
What? No, that I don't
You
believe.
think it's
I
like a
don't believe
porno?
that
Like girls are
either.
just
Yeah,
in
like
their
we
panties.
pillow
Oh,
fight.
man, there's feathers everywhere.
We were
No,
all in
I
our
don't believe that
pajamas with
because
no
I
makeup,
knew
no
a lot of
bras.
sorority girls that were making out with each
I
other.
know a lot of sorority girls that
Thank
too.
you.
Yeah, oh,
Yeah,
absolutely.
me too.
Undoubtedly.
Me
Undoubtedly.
too.
Okay,
Not
and
me, but a lot of.
And I'm not
Yeah,
just
of course.
saying this,
Yeah, of course
but
not.
I really
Not
was. I was in the conservative sorority girl house. I wasn't in the party house.
Like what? The Christian sorority?
Like the ones who got real good grades and stuff. There's always
Yeah.
that.
Oh my
But
god!
still,
I'm gonna
there's a-
ask Kathy.
How
right
many do you
now.
have? Oh, great.
Ask her. There's
Wait,
no
can you
way.
bring our parents and we can all
Very
watch
important.
then?
Kathy, this is a very important conversation that we have to have right now.
I really have never
And I
kissed
need
a
to-
girl, and I
I
don't
gotta
know
hear her
any of my friends
reaction.
who have.
Have you ever made out with a girl?
See, Kathy hasn't either.
Kathy's never made out with a girl.
I know. We just.
I mean, I never have
Hey,
either.
the best was Kathy
I
said,
would-
I've never made out with girls, but I'll come up there. Like,
I've
what she
never
said.
made out with a girl either. But I'm just saying I've seen other girls do it, and they might do it a lot when they drink a lot of alcohol. But that's just what I
Specifically
think.
There's
tequila.
nothing wrong with that.
I'm just
but
saying
I'm just saying
that
not
I've
everyone does
noticed
it.
that girls do that.
Yeah, the girls.
I've never
but
done
not
that.
every girl.
No, I've never done that.
Yeah, but
either.
I don't. You do it for the reaction
But
that you
if I
get from everybody.
get
That's a
really
lie.
wasted, I don't even make out with a guy.
You tell me you're
That's
really-
Then
just
why do you
I
do
make
it
out with
behind
a
closed
girl.
doors? I mean, then why do people that would want to do that just not do that ever?
Okay, well, never mind.
This whole conversation is confusing me, but I just think it's totally okay. But I don't think everyone does it.
Hey, Matt,
Yeah.
your boys downstairs said they personally want you to bring them popsicles.
Tell them to go get them themselves. They're right in the freezer.
And basically, the bottom
Okay,
line of this,
what's the question?
the story is
Take my seat. I need to go down and get something to drink.
the bottom line. The moral of the story is
Wait,
that
alcohol?
No, I just
I
need
say,
Sprite or something.
I
There's
said
no more
that
alcohol,
I've
right?
never
No.
kissed a girl in my
Right.
life. And Rachel
I've-
finds that very hard to
Unbelievable.
believe.
I've never.
Rachel thinks that
kissed a
all
girl either.
girls
No,
make
I
out
believe
with
Brittany
other
has it. I
girls.
believe Brittany has it, but I do have a hard time thinking that nobody in your sorority is making out with each other.
Okay, if they were doing it behind their doors, that's fine, but I never saw it take place ever.
I don't think they made out with each
What
other
is that?
necessarily.
I've
I'm
seen
sorry.
girls make out, but I haven't. I haven't ever made out with no girl.
Okay.
See, I have a lot of girlfriends who are straight, very much straight, but they've kissed.
Yeah, but just you have. Now you do. Not like it's habitual, but you
No.
just have. At
Yeah,
some
you
point.
have.
I literally don't know a single girl that I'm friends with who has. Maybe they did and didn't tell me about it, but I'm telling you, it's not as common as you think it
That's
is.
interesting.
I really disagree with that statement. Not
I
that-
think nowadays it's more common. I think 10 years ago, yeah, I would
why Katy
say.
Perry make a song about it?
Yeah, if there's a song about it, it's got to be true.
Yeah.
How do we
That's a
how
good
do we
one.
rebut that?
How do we come back?
Yeah, if it's on TV, then it has to be real.
I mean, if you want to say in your mind to make it
So you're telling
a
me
fantasy
that when you're
that 1 out of every 4 girls in the sorority has
kissed
kissed
another
a
girl.
girl, that's fine. But I'm
I'd say
telling
that's
you,
pretty-
that's
pretty high
not
numbers.
true.
You think it's high?
That's not
I think
true.
that's high.
Kiss, just kiss. Maybe even like a peck, just be, oh, we're trying.
I think that's pretty high. Oh, just a pack. Well, yeah. I mean, then probably 1 in 4.
See?
But like,
There we
maybe
go.
I don't even believe that.
Well, do what you
I
just did. What was
literally
your
don't
impression?
know a single.
Peck on the lips, like for the guy. Oh,
Yeah, I got haba, and then that's it.
Thank
like
you.
that as a joke.
Not fully making out, but they've at least kissed
Yeah,
the girl on the lips
exactly.
as a
yeah,
peck.
as like a joke.
That's
kind
all
of
I
like,
did
haha.
one time
Yeah,
ever.
undoubtedly. I mean,
I just pecked on the lips as a friend joke.
1 out of 4 for sorority, I don't think is hard to believe.
No.
1 out of 4 in normal everyday life, yes, I would say it would be.
but
hard
like
to believe.
made out, like really made out.
Okay,
I mean,
then
that's a lot less number, but certainly out of 400 girls, someone has.
yeah. So made out out of 400
I'm
girls.
gonna let you win this argument because you refuse to lose it. But I'm telling you, my life experience says you're wrong.
You're talking about 399
I mean,
girls.
I'm gonna let you win this
300
argument because obviously you know.
I'm
but
just saying
telling you,
399 girls.
There we go.
Like, you're right. Everyone was secretly making out, but they were just doing it
Not
behind
making
my
out.
back.
Not
and
making
I
out.
never
I'm
saw
saying
it.
that they
They
probably.
were all at night hooking up and making out and having long
They probably
longs,
did peck.
But I just didn't know.
They probably did.
You're
peck.
probably right, Brittany, because my sorority, nobody did that either.
See, and that's a lie too. So,
In my sorority, they would never do stuff like that.
okay. Oh, I'm done with it.
I would never do that. Ew.
Was your sorority like a slutty sorority?
My sorority was like the conservative sorority.
Are you lying or no?
Yes.
Yes, she's lying. Okay.
What were you guys like? What was your house on campus?
We were very moral.
I'm never getting
Okay,
any straight answers out of you.
I really was in the conservative sorority.
Yeah, like the academic one. No, I mean it wasn't an
Yes.
academic sorority, but
I mean, you're
You know
gonna
what?
have different types of girls.
like a panhandle
no matter
every
what.
year. Or what's the big
But
meeting
there
every
were
year?
several people
Panhellenic?
attending
No,
many
the-
nights of Bible study every week.
What's the meeting where Panhandle and IFC all get together once a year? Greek Council or
Panel
something?
and council?
Greek council.
But then Panhandle and IFC all get together
Right.
like and they do awards and
That's
shit
right.
like that.
Yes.
Yeah. But you're the ones that always would win like the academic
Yes,
awards.
GPA every
Yeah,
single
so
time.
I
My sorority really did win that. Like, not for joking,
Our
we really
standards
did.
board was very strict. You're
We
not allowed to have
are-
alcohol in the house, period.
So were
No
you like the party,
excuses.
like the drunkie house?
No, we actually were. We got the best grades on campus, and
You
we
were?
were like, we were considered to be like the. We did like to have fun.
You like the business by day, party by night sorority?
Yes.
We should just have America vote. America, I'd like you to tell us what you think.
I would never do anything like that. Production.
I don't think